crypto industry gripped by using tension as Bitcoin wobbles close to key $20,000 stage. Hong Kong. The cryptocurrency industry turned into on aspect on Monday morning as traders feared contagion from issues at main. Crypto gamers ought to unharness a primary shakeout if not contained. Bitcoin, which has misplaced 57% so far this 12 months and 37% this month, fell under $20,000 over the weekend for the first time considering December 2020. The stage is of symbolic importance, as it become more or less the height of the 2017 cycle. The price fall follows difficulties at several important enterprise players, while similarly declines could have a knock-on impact as different crypto buyers are compelled to promote their holdings to satisfy margin calls and cover losses. Crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital is exploring its options, which include the sale of assets and a bailout by any other firm, its founders told The Wall Street Journal in a tale published Friday, the same day Asia-focused crypto lender Babel Finance stated it would drop withdrawals. U.S.-based Totally lender Celsius Network earlier this month stated it'd suspend withdrawals, and many of the enterprise's recent problems can be traced back to the outstanding disintegrate of so-called stablecoin Terra USD in May. Bitcoin was buying and selling either side of $20,000 on Monday, at the same time as number 2 token Ether turned into at $1.05, having dipped under its own symbolic degree of $1,000 over the weekend. If the marketplace is going higher, everybody breathes a sigh of remedy. Things will get refinanced, human beings will improve fairness, and all the risk will expend. But if we circulate an awful lot lower from here, I think it is able to be a total shitstorm, said Adam Farthing, leader risk workplace for Japan at crypto liquidity issuer B2C2. There is a lot of credit score being withdrawn from the machine, and if creditors must soak up losses from Celsius and Three Arrows, they'll lessen the dimensions of their future mortgage books. This means that the entire quantity of credit score to be had within the crypto ecosystem is plenty reduced. It feels very like 2008 to me in terms of how there can be a domino impact of bankruptcies and liquidations, Farthing said. To be sure, the tendencies in crypto have coincided with an equities slide, as U.S. shares suffered their largest weekly % decline in years on fears of rising interest fees and the developing likelihood of recession. MKTS Glob. The Bitcoin rate has tended to move in a roughly comparable way to different threat belongings along with tech stocks. Smaller cryptocurrencies have been even tougher hit than major tokens as investors sought the comparative safety of Bitcoin and stablecoins whose values are pegged to the ones of traditional property, maximum typically the US dollar. The universal crypto marketplace capitalization is kind of $870 billion, in line with rate web page CoinMarketCap, down from a height of $2.9 trillion in November 2021. However, even stablecoins' marketplace capitalizations have dropped in current months, suggesting investors are pulling cash from the sector as a whole. Tether, the arena's largest stablecoin, has seen its market cap fall to around $68 billion on Monday, from over $83 billion in early May.